VPV, Viva Pinoy Vlog. Viva or Viva Noce is a Latin and Spanish term which means with the living voice. Viva Pinoy Vlog is the living Philippine voice vlog to be heard throughout social media such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and the like, reaching out Filipinos living across the globe. VPV or Viva Pinoy Vlog also promote our Philippine heritage, culture, and to honor and acknowledge our Philippine national heroes who have fought for our identity to thrive into the so-called millennial generation of today, emerging into a multicultural and diverse ethnicities but maintaining its authenticity and simplicity. Ito po si MJ ng VPV, Viva Pinoy Vlog. Ang VPV o Viva Pinoy Vlog ay ang mga pang-araw-araw at samot-saring activities ng mga Pinoy dito sa Canada na isa siya sa makapagbibigay daan at makapaghikayat sa mga kapwa Pinoy o yung tinatawag nating mga OFW, the Overseas Filipino Workers, na siyang tinaguriang the Philippine National Heroes of Today dahil sila po ang isa sa nagbibigay at nagpapatibay ng ating dollar reserve sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Mga kapwa migrants and immigrants at mga kapwa Pinoy na nagbabaka sakaling makapamuhay sa iba't ibang lupalop ng mundo. Mabuhay po tayong mga Pinoy. VPV, Viva Pinoy Vlog. Kabayan, kailian, na imbag nga aldaw katakayo amin.